Hi, this is Dr. Subhatra. In this session, I am going to discuss about the construction and demolition waste. So, the construction waste are produced in a large amount, which comprises the huge amount of solid waste. Recycling all the demolition waste is very difficult and it is uneconomical also. So, we are trying to reuse it as a building material and as a component part. So, the huge amount of this demolished waste is crushed, processed, and it is reused as an aggregate in building works. The recycling of the construction materials. What are all the materials you will be able to recycle it? They are of concrete, timber, glass, steel. Okay, we can reuse all these materials. What are these construction and demolition waste constitutes of? Around 40% of the waste comes from the renovation side. That is rehabilitation. Okay, you are making it as a new one. And then 50% of the waste is generated from the demolition work. And 10% is from new construction. What are the small pieces of left out materials? All together constitutes the construction and demolition waste. So it consists of, these waste consist of concrete, brick, timber, sanitary ware, glass, steel and plastic. Let us see each and every one in detail. First is a concrete. It is the most important construction material approximately throughout the world. Per capita per year, 1 ton of concrete is approximately used. So this recycling of concrete, when it is used, when it is recycled, it will reduce the cost of aggregate, disposal cost, it will reduce the environmental damage, it will reduce the consumption of natural resources, and it will reduce the landfill space also. So these are all the advantages of recycling concrete. Okay. Then, when compared to the new material or the virgin material, this recycled coarse aggregate is comparatively more durable. It can also be used in residential construction also. Then the next one is a brick. Brick is the waste bricks are obtained by means of a broken one or a discarded one, which can be used for the construction landfill or as an aggregate for the non-structural concrete. Where we are getting this brick from the demolition rubble, or you can crush everything and you can use it in the same way. This brick masonry rubble consists mortar up to 20% by volume. The crushed brick and also the roof tiles are bulk amount of demolition waste, which is filled in the lawns. Sometimes you can use timber also. It can be crushed into chips and we can use it for burning, that is as a fuel. And you can also use this wood chip as a concrete material. By how means? You can inject the cement grout into the voids of the wooden chips. So that is by pressurizing the cement material and making the wooden pieces into a solid compact one. Now it is called as a wood chip concrete. We can use this type of concrete as a building material. This chip can be easily sawn. That is, sawn means it can be easily cut into pieces and you can nail it also. In Japan, around 12 million cubic meters of used timbers from the demolished houses are used. Okay, these contents I have taken from the references and the slide share. Thank you.